Hi, I'm back. I know it's been a long time since I've been in front of the camera. I have done several watercolor tutorials and a couple crafts, so you've only seen my hands. So I thought I would get in front of the camera today and welcome you back. I really hope you had a great summer. I know we did. We just came back from vacation and it was so needed and so glorious, but it's time to get back to work, cozy up our nests for fall and in preparation for the long winter. So today I thought I would show you how to make a beautiful fall arrangement using some of my hydrangeas in the backyard, and it takes no time. It's gonna look so beautiful. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is look for hydrangeas that are fully bloomed. So these are the ones that are a little more mature. As you can see with this one, there still has a few little buds on the top. So you want to look for more mature hydrangeas. You then want to look for the node, and the node is usually where the three leaves meet, and you want to cut right above the node. To need a basket. It doesn't have to be this shallow. I like the shape of this one, so this is what I'm going with. And then a bowl that fits right inside your basket. You're of course going to need your hydrangeas, and the first thing you're going to do is pour some water into the bowl. So just carefully pour the water in there. You could put food in there, flower food in there if you wish. So we have our water. Just make sure that's not in there. I'm going to go ahead and remove the leaves as usual. And then measure where you want these, how high you want them to go. You want them pretty low. So you're just going to position them on there and continue to do that all around. Just as a side note, if you are looking to dry your hydrangeas, you want to make sure you remove all of the leaves. Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. So there you go, a beautiful, beautiful flower arrangement that is just gonna get even more beautiful because as these dry, they will add that texture and that beautiful color that fall brings. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe. I have so much fall content coming your way. You can always check out the links below for my social media and my blog, and yeah, lots of inspiration coming your way this fall. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.